Hey y'all, welcome back to Ride Like a Pro. Today we're gonna be installing. I'm gonna show y'all beginners how to properly put your tag sticker on. You know, some people might disagree, but I'm gonna show you the way I do it, which I think is the right way. Well, that's Green Monster. If y'all been following me on my channel, you know that's Green Monster. And let's go around here and as you can see, her tag says March 2025. March 2025. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing the March 2026. Okay, let's get started. Let's sit y'all right here. Uh, First thing we want to do is take these screws out. If you got a tag cover on. Keep up with the screws so you don't lose them. Okay. I'm gonna have to use a wrench for this one. These bolts are 3/8 bolts. All right. That go over there and that goes there. And that goes, we'll figure it out there. So as you can see, let's come up here. Let's sit y'all right here on the table now. Okay, this is the way I do it. I say some people might disagree, but I take me a razor blade, and I don't know if you've seen people just, they pile them on top of each other. And what I do, I pull mine off. See, there's no more under there. The rubbing alcohol, spray it. My granddaughter's old sock. And you can clean the whole tag while you got it off. You know, might well just wipe your tag down with that alcohol. It's not gonna hurt it. If anything, you do it some good. Clean that thing off like that. That's gonna be glue. So you can leave that glue. That glue is gonna help it stick. Give it another little dose. Clean it up left like that right there. Okay. Take your old sticker. Take your new sticker, peel it off. And what I try to do, I try to put it right back where the other one was at. Something like this right here. Seal it. Since I got my tag cover, I make sure that my tag cover is not covering anything. So you can see the March 2026. And what I usually do, I usually take and just trim just a little bit this off the bottom with a razor blade, just a little bit so it lay flat. See, just that little bit right there. Just trim that little bit off. Mash it down. And your new sticker is installed. You can see the March. You can see the March 2026. And this is another trick I do. This is the registration. I take it and I fold it. Let's move this out the way. I take this, I fold it like this. Just the regular fold. And it's already got a fold in it. This fold right here, I just fold it like this. I take this in, and I fold it over like this. Then I fold it like this here. I fold it back like this here. Then one more time like this. About this size right here. Then I take just a regular sandwich bag and I slip it down in that and down in the corner just like that. You can cut it if you want to, but I usually just leave it like that and just roll it and fold it. Roll it and fold it. You can put it in your wallet just like this here. But what I do, I got this out of an old wallet. So what I'll do is I take just hold on, y'all. Just want to be a little stubborn, but and I'll stick it down in there like this here. And there you got this. This is my registration, and on the back side is my insurance card. Registration, insurance card. The two things, the two things, the 2 out of 3 things the man gonna ask you for if he stop you. And right here's the next thing he's gonna ask you is for your driver's license. So here's my driver's license. It goes here. This is my med card. I'm a commercial truck driver. Me and my wife. This is my med card. It's also in plastic. That goes right down behind my wallet. And this that I just show y'all how to make, it'll go slide right down in here, just like so. And it's in your wallet. See? So when the man asks you for your registration, driver's license, or insurance, you'll pull the whole thing out, pull it out of the pouch, give it to him, give him your driver's license, and he should, if you're legal, he'll send you on your way. Okay, let's put this thing back on. Let's put my tag back on. Let's take y'all back down here. And we're going to put this back on in the same order that we took it off. Flat washer. That one already got it on there, y'all. So we just put my little thing back on this one. This one, a flat washer, lock washer, and the nut. Same thing for this one. Take this little thing, you got a screw in it. If you have a tag cover, if not, you just put your screws in it. Flat washer, lock washer, and a nut. Third one, these are a little different. So I go flat washer. No, it's the same thing. I'm sorry, y'all. Flat washer, lock, washer, flat washer. But this one a little backwards. Excuse me, y'all. So this is gonna go like this here. And then that goes on, and then the back side. And what you do, tighten this back up. You ain't gotta just tighten them tight. Just snug them up pretty good. And that'll be it. And right there's my tag. March 2026. And we're good to go. And that's it for today. That's the little video that I had to show y'all for today. So that's it for today. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching my videos. And I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. And have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Oh, I just about forgot. The reason why I'm putting this stuff in plastic like this is to help keep it dry. Sometimes we get caught riding in the rain. So that right there will help keep it dry. If you should get caught in the rain, that'll keep it dry. I usually try to keep all my important papers. You try to keep all my important papers like that in plastic, like I say, in case you get caught in the rain. That'll keep your stuff dry. So we're gonna leave y'all with that right there. And like, share, and subscribe. Watch my next video, and I'll see you on my next video. And God bless you. And like I always say, we all want to get back home safe to our families. Thank you. God bless you, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.